In this video I'm going to show you how to refill the ink cartridge of your Epson Eco of your Epson XP-970 printer. Now take the ink cartridge you want to refill. For example, I'm just going to refill the black ink cartridge. So that is here. Now there is an option in this ink cartridge. If you look on this side and if you go to the side that displays Epson, there is a small black dot here, so you just have to puncture it with the small screwdriver, and now we can fill the ink in this section. So I'll show you how to fill the ink. So take around 4 to 5 ml ink. Take the cap, that's the cap here, and seal this before you start. Now you can place it here nicely and then start pushing ink inside. So we have filled the ink in this section. Now you have to keep it like this just to make sure the sponge is in the front, so it will go to there. Just keep it standing like this. Now I'm going to fill the next one. So I also have a very low ink in the yellow, so there is no weight of the ink cartridge. Again you have to make a hole. You will see there is a one point here, and if you just puncture it, so just need a little bit force, not a lot. And now we can fill the ink here. So I'm just going to take around 5 ml of the yellow ink. Before you start filling, just make sure you put a cap on this plate. So this cap is usually with the printer when you wire it. Again we have to fill it here, so place it here and then start filling slowly. You will see some bubbles coming. That's normal. Maybe little bit ink will come out, but not a lot. So this was completely empty, so now we can see the weight is there. So we can also keep it here like this. Go to the next, that's magenta. Again I'm just going to use around 5 ml. So that goes like this. Look for that hole, press it down. Once you break it, we are ready to install. It can take little bit more ink inside, but we are not going to overflow that. Clean it. Now you can keep it here like this. And last I'm just going to do the blue. Again I'm going to use the 5 ml. Place the cap, so this will prevent any leaking. Push through this hole and break it. You will hear a little tick kind of sound. Now start filling it. Now clean the extra ink that is spilled over a little bit. So I have refilled the 4 ink cartridges that were low in the ink. To seal it, you can use a hot glue, or you can also use something else that can seal that hole. So you just, that's a small hole, we just have to close it. So we are just sealing it so that the ink won't spill over. Remove the excess. Base cap. Now there may be some ink that is spilled, so we have to absorb it before you put it back. With the tissue you have to just wipe it. The extra ink should not be there. Now we have to reinstall it. So back side goes down and then press from the front. It may be possible one of the ink or few of the ink you have refilled are not recognized and you still get the message to replace those. So whatever ink is not working, you have to replace that, and this way we can refill the ink cartridges of this printer and start using after that. Thanks for watching.